employee table having employee details, employee ID, name and age. The next one is the sales table, right? So this particular table we are given the employee ID, which is the foreign key, linking the employee table with the sales table, having the department and the sales made by those particular employees in this particular working departments, right? So based on these two particular tables, we need to find like the total sales of each department, right? For each department, the total sales of all the departments, the employee details having the highest sales in each department. Okay, so we need to find basically three things. That is the each department, the sales that they are making, the total sales of all the department, and the employees generating the maximum revenue, right, or maximum sales. So if you can see, for the furniture department, it has made a sale of like 36,000, sorry, 3,600, and the maximum sale is of 3,000 made by employee who is Bob, right? So if you can see here, Bob is working, his employee is 2, and he is working in the furniture department. He has made the highest number of sales. Next comes which is employee 5, which is male, right? So in this way, so yes, right. So what I will do is that I will first address the things that I mentioned, right? I will first address the total sales made by each department, and the highest number of sales made by any particular department, right? What is the highest number of sales made within the department? Then I will move on to the further part of the question. So I will select this will give me department wise the total sales and the maximum sales of each department, right? Now this I will use as a temporary table. Okay, I will use this as a temporary table, and I will join this with the sales table on the condition like where the maximum sales are matching with this particular cell. Okay, so the logic is like, for each department I am getting the maximum sale, right? So this maximum cell should match with the department's cell, and that particular cell means that employee has generated those maximum cell, right? So let's say this one. So from everything, so when I run this particular query, you see I am getting the employee ID who have generated the maximum cell for that particular department. Okay, so from this CTE table, what I am getting is that I am simply getting three things: the department, the total cell made by the department, and the maximum cells generated by any particular employee working in that particular department, right? Next I am doing is that I am joining this particular CTE table with the sales table to get the employee ID, right? From here I am getting the employee ID of the particular employee who has generated this maximum cell. You can see this maximum cell is the cells that is being generated by this employee. So now I am again going to use a join operation, and this time I will be joining with the employee table. Join as the condition is that dot So now if I join this particular thing, see I am getting the employee details, right? So it is the employee ID 1, he has generated the maximum sale of 1500 for the electronics department. Previously I took the example of furniture department, so let's focus on that. So this is the employee ID 2. He has generated total sales of 3000, and the details is here, right? And also parallelly I am getting the total sales made by the particular department. So and now addressing the last thing, which is the total sale of all the department. So for this particular thing I'm going to use the window function. Okay, so I'm saying sum of total sales, and use the over clause as so let's make select changes. So this will represent the department cell, and this will represent the total sales. Okay, let's run it. See, the total sales is like 7101, right? 0.45. Okay, so this is the total sale, which is going to be same for each department, because this cell represent this total sales column represent the total, the aggregate sale of the three departments, right? So if you just add these three particular department cells, you are going to get this particular number. So this is going to repeat, right? So now let's just modify the columns. I'm going to have this dot star everything from C, this one, and I'm going to have dot star. Let's wait. Again, I'm getting this one. I'll just order by let's suppose by since see. So for this particular, as I cited previously, the furniture department is generating the maximum sale, which is like the 3600.50, and the maximum sale for this furniture department is 3000.50, and this is made by Bob, right? And the employee details of Bob is mentioned here, and the total sales of the three departments is 7101.45, right? So this is the particular thing. So if I have to give you a brief overview of this query, what I did is that for this particular CT function, I initially found the department cells and the maximum cell, right? And next I am going to join this particular CT with the cells table on the condition like the maximum cell should match with the cells that have been made by the particular employee working in that particular department, right? So from this particular thing I am getting like the employee ID, and this employee ID is being used in the next join condition, while like the s dot employee ID is equal to the employee ID, right, of the employee table, and this is a query. I hope it's clear to you guys, and you can also give your solutions in the comment.